India, a land of diverse ecosystems and rich biodiversity, is home to numerous species that are on the brink of extinction. This vast array of wildlife attracts tourists and nature enthusiasts. However, as many of these animals now face grave threats, with their populations declining to perilously low numbers, you need to act soon. So, here are 6 endangered species in India that you should see before they disappear. The Great Indian Bustard, native to India, is a large bird with males reaching up to 1.2 m in height and weighing up to 15 kilograms. Listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List, fewer than 250 remain. Primarily found in the grasslands and scrublands of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, this ground-dwelling bird feeds on insects, lizards, and small mammals. It is also known for its impressive mating displays. However, habitat loss, hunting, and collisions with power lines threaten its survival. Conservation efforts include protected areas and specific measures to protect this magnificent bird. Lion-tailed macaque is one of the world's most endangered primates, with an estimated 2,500 left. These medium-sized monkeys are characterized by a distinctive mane of long black hair and a tufted tail. As omnivores, their diet consists of fruits, insects, and small animals, and they live in small social groups. The primary threat to their survival is habitat loss caused by deforestation and agricultural expansion. Conservation efforts, including the establishment of protected areas and local community engagement, aim to boost their population and protect their habitat. Red panda, also known as the lesser panda or red bear cat, it's a small arboreal mammal found in the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. In India, they are found in Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and parts of West Bengal. Red pandas inhabit temperate forests at elevations of 2,200 to 4,800 meters and have thick fur to protect them from the cold. Their diet primarily consists of bamboo, fruit, berries, and insects. They face threats from habitat loss and poaching, but conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation and raising awareness. Nilgiri Tahr, native to the Nilgiri Hills and the western parts of southern India. These robust animals are characterized by a distinctive black stripe along their backs and long, curved horns. Adapted to steep, rocky terrain, they are adept climbers. Their survival is jeopardized by habitat loss and poaching. Protected areas such as Mudumlai National Park and Anamlai Tiger Reserve, along with conservation programs, are essential for their preservation. Indian rhinoceros, also known as one-horned rhinoceros, it's critically endangered and primarily found in Assam and West Bengal. Known for its single horn and armored skin, it faces threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human conflict. Protected under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1970, conservation efforts focus on expanding protected areas, promoting coexistence, and combating poaching. Snow leopard. The snow leopard inhabits the mountainous regions of Central and South Asia, including India. Known for its elusive nature and ability to survive in harsh, cold climates, it faces threats from poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts include protecting its habitat and mitigating human-wildlife conflict.